the plant now for quite a time in the morning. So Sachin, I would ask you to join the team.
Sure.
And I will tell a little bit what you are doing now. Thanks, Philip.
Yep.
To the transmission set.
Yeah.
Actually, what you see here is a 2-liter diesel engine. It has an 8-speed automatic transmission set. And as you might be aware, the 8-speed automatic transmission of BMWs are highly efficient and dynamic. And they also have a very engine develops 184 horsepower and a torque of round about 380 Newton meter.
As a child, I remember dreaming of BMW and owning one, but I never thought I would be here. When I was contacted by BMW and they asked me, would you want to visit our plant and see how we assemble all the cars? It was a dream come true for me, a great opportunity as being a car enthusiast to actually understand what goes behind building a super world-class car.